Are you wondering how to make money online with CPA marketing like I am doing right here? If yes, then you actually need to follow this simple step-by-step and complete guide to make money online with CPA marketing, and we're going to be doing this in a free and amazing strategy. And also towards the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you another amazing trick that you can also use to get lots and lots of targeted traffic to your offers right here. So stick on as we dive right into this video. If you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I basically create videos on ways to make money online, and supposing you like such kind of content, you may want to just simply hit the like button to the video. You can subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bells on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool and amazing content to help boost your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video. So firstly guys, you may want to utilize any CPA marketing platform of your choice. You can use Max Bounty right here, you can use CPA Lead, you can use CPA Grip or CPA Build or any other CPA marketing platform out there. I'm going to be sticking with CPA Grip, and to get an account created on this platform is absolutely not difficult. You just need to click on the register option right here, of which you'll be brought to a page that looks similar to this. Now right here on this page, you can see guys that you just need to go into filling out this form right now, and the form is absolutely quite easy to fill. Just fill out your name, your last name, and you can actually skip out all fields without this red asterisk signs. Basically focus on the field having that sign, because those are the important fields you must fill out before an account can get created on a platform such as this. Once you do that guys, you may want to just simply check out these boxes to agree to all the terms of service of this particular platform, then go on to clicking on register. Now with that guys, your account will be created and you can then go on to logging into your account. So with this guys, once you're successfully logged into your account guys, you want to just simply come onto the page like you can see right now. Now on this page you can see some cool and amazing offers available to you. Now to get to this page, it is easy. Come onto the offer tools option, click on that. You're going to see my offers. You want to click on that and you can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Right now guys, you can see that I'm in the United Kingdom demographic, and you can just simply select an offer to that demographic. But before selecting an offer, you need to actually take note of the net PRF. Now this net PRF is actually everyone else performance on this part of this particular offer on this network. Now you can see that the performance is actually quite high, about 94% right there, as you can see right now on the screen. That's absolutely quite high, meaning that this offer or many other people on this platform are getting cool and amazing conversions to this offer, and this actually indicates that the offer can easily be promoted by us. Now you can see this offer also right now, this is actually having a low PRF, net PRF right now. So instead of selecting this, as they are actually kind of similar offers, but one is actually for the desktop devices and the other is for Android devices, instead of selecting this one right now, I'm going to select the one with the better net PRF. Now if I select this, I can see much more details about the offer, that this is kind of like a giveaway of €1,000 towards getting an iPhone 15 Pro Max. Now once you do that guys, you can actually see much more details right here, that you could just simply enter your information to claim your reward. Now once you are actually here, you can see that the information your clients or your leads actually need to go into entering is just their email address or zip code while going through a simple survey using this my unique affiliate link, and they actually need to come from the United States and utilize a desktop device. Once they actually do fit in all this category, they stand a chance of actually earning this particular cash prize giveaway of €1,000 towards an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm just simply going to be earning about $2.22 from every successful lead I actually get to this offer. So you can see how amazing that actually is. You may want to just simply come onto this image section, right click on the image and click on save image as, and save the image on your device right now, because we may actually be in need of that image later on in this particular video. So next you want to just simply copy the link to this particular offer and go on to creating a simple landing page. You may create a landing page with platforms like Google Sites, Breezy.cloud, Linktree, Systemy.io, GetResponse, Webflow, and a lot of other landing page builder sites platforms right there. So you can just simply find one that is suitable for you, stick with one and create one. Now you may be wondering how to create a landing page. Maybe if you're not familiar with creating landing pages, I have tutorial videos on my channel that shows you basically how to do that. To gain access to such videos, just simply head on to my channel right here, which is called OJ Marketing. Click on this particular search icon beside the community section and just simply go on to typing in landing page. Once you successfully do type in landing page and click on enter, guys, the page is actually going to go on to reloading, and you're going to see some cool and amazing videos I created right here that easily shows you how to create landing page. Now if you check out this video shows you how to create a landing page that you can simply go on to, enabling you to earn a lot of money online. This one shows you how to create a landing page with Google Sites for your CPA marketing offer. This is with Systeme.io, this is actually with Webflow, and this is with Google with Breezy Cloud. Now you can see all these videos, guys, are actually available for you guys to just simply gain access to create cool landing pages, and that will help you get better conversions to your offer. Now after creating the landing page, what you want to do next is to promote that offer. And we're going to be utilizing a very cool and amazing site right now called the vocal.media. As you can see, this is a very cool platform that you can use to go on to running free ads. Now on this platform, you could run ads to various locations around the world. As you can see, the locations available in the United States of which you can run ads to. You can see some other locations in Canada. You can see some in Europe right now. So all you just need to do is to just simply go on to searching for the United Kingdom. Now if I do scroll through, guys, maybe I want to just simply search for United Kingdom. You can see some locations right here in United Kingdom. Maybe I want to promote this to Birmingham. I'm just going to select that particular location, and you can actually just go on to selecting the category of this offer. Now you can see some other categories right now. Maybe I'm just going to come right here, click on post ad. Now you could actually go on to sign up with your email address or your Google address. After signing into your account, click on post ad once more, and you want to select this post free ad. Once you actually do select that, select the location to which you want to promote your ad to. I'm going to select Europe right now, and I'm just going to scroll down to select the United Kingdom. Now in this section, you also want to simply go into selecting that particular location to which you want to promote your offer to in the United Kingdom. As you can see, Birmingham right here, I can just simply select that. Select the category of the offer. Maybe I could just simply select something like buy, sell, and trade. I can just simply select the miscellaneous because that's a giveaway offer. Now once you select this right now, it's actually going to bring me to this page where you can see that this is the first page right now of which you want to write your ad. The second page is to preview your ad, and the last is to actually go on to promoting your ads. Now you can see right now you just need to insert a very cool title, cool description. You can actually fill out other details or other fields appropriately right there. Agree to the terms of service right now, and also go on to completing this captcha before you do click on continue to promote your ad. Now you can actually do get details for this particular section from CPA Grip right here. As you can see, those details are actually available for you to just simply copy and paste right now on this platform. And if you do that, guys, you can actually go on to getting cool traffic to your offer once you do go on to promoting your ads appropriately with this particular platform. Now, like I promised earlier in the video, I'm going to be showing you another cool and amazing bonus way to go on to getting a lot of traffic to your offers. Firstly, you want to just simply copy this particular domain, which is the vocal.media. So if I do go on to copying this right now, I'm just going to head on to this particular platform called the sitelike.org. Now this is a platform that you can use to go on to searching for similar other websites to a particular website. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here, paste in that particular link right now, which is the vocal.media. And if you do click on search, guys, it's actually going to go on to searching for alternative and similar websites to vocal.media. Now take a look at these, guys. These are actually similar websites to vocal.media. You can see this one right here is the global free classified ads.com. This is actually the free ad1.net. You can just simply check out much more details about each and every one of this platform, and you can see that they are actually kind of numerous. This platform actually shows us about 33 similar websites to the vocal.media. So check out all this platform, promote your offers on the platform, and utilize that to get a lot of cool traffic to your offers right now. Now, to gain access to any of the pages or any of this platform, just simply click on this particular icon right here. It's automatically going to take you to that particular website, and you can just simply go on to promoting your offers right there. As you can see, I'm on the website. I can just simply click on create free ad and promote my ad for free. So follow this step by step and make sure you actually do this to go on to getting cool traffic to your offers. Now don't forget, guys, I regularly create videos on cool ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you may want to just simply scroll through my channel, check out the videos on my channel. They are available for you right there. You may also want to just simply hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bells on all so as to always get alerted and whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.